So the iPhone XS is one of those iPhones that's been out since 2018, and iOS 27 has just basically been announced in a beta. So you might be wondering if the iPhone XS is even supported on iOS 27. Now the short answer of this is no. iOS 27 is not available on the iPhone XS. Now Apple has just made that announcement, so basically iOS 27 is only available on the iPhones that were supported on the iOS 26 update. So even though iOS 26, was a big update, iOS 27 isn't looking to be that big of an update from what we've seen. So you're looking to basically see on an iPhone XS, this update is not going to be available. I wish it was, but unfortunately that is not the case. Now iOS 26 also was not available on the iPhone XS either. So keep that in mind. iOS 26 was not available here either, but iOS 27 is definitely not going to be available either. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.